Welcome to our drawing tutorials artistic adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to create a beautiful mountain landscape inside a triangle. First start by drawing a large equilateral triangle in the center of your paper. This will frame our entire landscape. Inside the triangle, draw two large mountains. Make sure they are different in size and shape to add variety to your scene. The peaks should be high but not touching the top of the triangle. Sketch some ridges and slopes on the mountains to give them a natural look. Next, draw a horizontal line at the base of the triangle to represent the ground. Along this line, sketch three pine trees on the left side. Vary their height and width for a more realistic appearance. On the right side, draw a small cabin with a slanted roof. Now it's time to shade the sky. Carefully fill in the area above the mountains with a dark pencil. Use consistent, even stroke to create a smooth finish. Leave small irregular spots unshaded to represent stars in the night sky. Lightly shade the mountains to add depth and dimension. Focus on the areas where the slopes would naturally cast shadows. Use a blending tool or your finger to smooth out the shading for a more realistic look. Finally, add some details to the trees and the cabin. Use quick vertical strokes for a pine needles and add some texture to the roof of the cabin. And there you have it, a stunning mountain landscape within a triangle. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring and keep discovering. See you in next video. Happy drawing!